In this video, we're going to look at Jumptask, which is an all-in-one app where you can earn several different types of passive income. Nothing I say is financial advice. Always do your own research. Let's get into today's video. So guys, here we are over on Jumptask. As always, link down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. One place, many ways to earn. Obviously, when it comes to crypto, earning passive income is definitely something you could do, and is very worthwhile if you can find the right place to do it. Jumptask promises 4 different ways in which you can earn a passive income in crypto, so let's find out a little bit more through this platform. Here you can see you can earn $100 or more every single month by just scrolling and using your scrolling time in turning it into earnings. On Jumptask, you pick a simple task, spend 3 to 5 minutes and earn instantly. Make every minute count today. Well, you've probably seen various apps over the years that you can go to in order to earn an income by doing various different tasks, and some of them can be pretty mind-numbing and painful, but potentially if you want to be able to make, but $100 is pretty good if you are able to carry out these tasks. And if you've got a bit of a spare time and you're looking for some extra money, this could be a potentially great way to do it. And you can see that they got over 2 million registered users with 1.3 million completed payouts. So obviously it's working. So all we've got to do is register, complete a task, and then get paid. So we just click on sign up and it brings us across to this page. And then it's going to take us through different ways in which we can use the app. And here we can see the different ways in which you can earn. Okay, so there's different types of offers where you can complete different tasks for them. You then got opportunities to do things like staking. So if you're already holding crypto coins, you can then stake those tokens, which means you will lock away those tokens for a period of time, for example, 5 days, 10 days, and then you'll earn a percentage yield throughout that period of time. There's also things like play to earn games. There's different surveys in which you can share your opinion on different things. Lots of companies out there spend loads of money on market research. So maybe you can share with them your habits on like your shopping, share with them your habits on like the restaurants and things that you eat at, and you'll earn crypto rewards in return for doing so. And then honey gain, which is a bandwidth sharing. Now your mobile phone or your computer uses a certain amount of data all the time, and if you share that bandwidth with other people and with the network, then you'll also be able to earn a return for that as well. So as you can see, lots of different ways in which you can start earning here. Okay, so it literally took me 2 seconds to sign up for an account, and then this is over here on the dashboard that I've got. So first of all, we can see the offers, rewards that I obviously haven't collected yet because I've literally just started, and then the statistics as well as help if you need it. But we click on offers, we can see top picks for you. Here you can see it's sharing an offer, but basically I have to go and buy an NFT and then I'm going to get a return $52 back for it. But then coming down below, you got all sorts of different tasks, okay? Like this one here, for example, with a casino, I need to register, deposit and wager a minimum of 21 euros. I'm not sure of the exact rates right now, but 21 euros is about 25 USD, maybe a bit less than that. So you could potentially make some profit on that one. Various different kind of like games. If you're already into like online sports betting, online gaming and things like that, then maybe this is a good thing to come and check out. And you can see complete level 21. This is playing a game. You'll make a reward. And you can see all the different rewards on each of them. And if you just click on one, for example, you can see the rewards, and then you just have to click on take the offer. And then you can get started with whatever of these you want to get into. And some of them have some pretty good returns and will actually take minutes for you to enter. Looking into the staking then, you can see you can earn up to a 30% yield on some of these different staking pools, which is pretty cool. So you can basically choose whichever token that you want to stake, and you can look through whichever one suits your needs, and then you can stake them for a passive income in terms of an annual percentage yield, which you can see here. And staking, obviously, when it comes to staking things, make sure you read how long you need to stake them for, so you're not staking money for years or anything like that. And obviously be careful as well, because obviously the value of the token that you are staking can also go up and down. Coming across to this survey section, you can see that we have these different surveys available. And if you click on these surveys, you'll qualify for new surveys in which you'll be able to earn an income from. Surveys is actually a great way to be able to make some money if you're really struggling to find any ways of making money right now, and definitely something that's worth looking into. This one in Brain AI and then CPX Research, and this one says available in 85 plus countries, so check it out. And then this one here appears to be available everywhere. And then as for the bandwidth sharing, you can just follow the little details here, copy your account details here, sign up at Honeygain, sign up your email with Honeygain, and then enable the app to start using your bandwidth. Now, all of the different tasks we've just looked at will all pay rewards in JumpToken. And if you come down below, we can find out a little bit more about the JumpToken. JumpToken basically can be exchanged for any real world currency or other cryptocurrency for that matter as well. You can see Jumptask ecosystem is fueled by the JumpToken. Micro freelancers, which basically you'll be doing through doing these different tasks, etc., will receive payments in a JMPT or the JumpToken, which are transferred to their crypto wallets. And you can buy these tokens in a Pancake Swap if you so wish. And it's a reputable token. You can go and find it over on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. And obviously if you're earning rewards in these tokens and the value of the token goes up, which we could potentially see as we are entering into a bull market in my opinion, then whatever rewards you're earning right now could actually be exponentially larger if you hold on to them going forward. And they've already paid out over $2 million, which is pretty impressive from this platform. So it's definitely an interesting thing to go and look into if you're looking to make a bit of passive income, or maybe you're looking to do a few different tasks and stuff to maybe make a bit of extra pocket money each month. And something really exciting, guys, if you come over today through the link down below in the description, you're going to come across set up your account. You can also get yourself 20% extra earnings. So for every dollar you earn, you're going to be able to make an extra 20 cents, which is pretty cool. You just need to use the code CryptoMindOffer in order to get that extra 20% today. So in summary, guys, if you want to make a passive income or just make some extra money through doing a few things like surveys, various different signups for games, etc., well, look no further than a Jumptask. Link down below in the description. Remember, you can make an extra 20% if you use the code CryptoMindOffer, so do not miss out on doing that. If you enjoyed today's video and found it valuable, then make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me. And if you are new to the channel and you want to learn more about crypto, Web3, NFTs, and so much more, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.